Assalamu alaikum grade 4. How are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your schoolmates, your teachers and friends. But no problem class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. Now let's come to the main agenda. Today I'm going to conduct your English grammar class. So first come to the date. Today the date is 14/12/2020 and the day is Monday. Okay class, as I told you that today I'm going to conduct your English grammar class. So today our main topic will be nouns. What are nouns? What is a noun? Now let me tell you, noun is one of the parts of a speech. Fine. So noun is the part of a speech that names a person, place or thing. ठीक है, यानी part of a speech, there are 8 parts of a speech you people must know. Nouns, pronouns, फाइन, एडवर्ब्स, एडजेक्टिव्स, वर्ब्स, कंजंक्शंस, इंटरजेक्शंस. तो उन्हीं में से नाउन जो है एक टाइप होता है पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच का. सो नाउन इज़ द नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग, यानी किसी भी चीज़ का, किसी भी शख्स का, जगह का या चीज़ के नाम को बोलते हैं नाउन. Okay class, if we talk about types of nouns, so there are almost 5 types of nouns. Fine. Number 1 is common noun, second one is proper noun, third one is abstract noun, fourth one is collective noun, and the fifth one is material noun. I guess most of the people know about common noun, but let's have a quick review of common noun. What is a common noun? Yes, common noun is the common name of a person, place, animal or thing. यानी किसी भी person के, place के, जगह के, animal के, thing के common name को, यानी every animal, every place, every person and everything is being called with that name. That is a common noun. For example, if you can see this chart over here, person, animal, place and thing का, ठीक है ना? You can see every boy is called a boy, every girl is called a girl, every man is called a man, every lady is called a lady, every uncle is called an uncle. ठीक है ना? Cat, dog, monkey, bird, duck, they are the common names. ठीक है? प्लेस में आएगा सिटी, कंट्री, मार्केट, शॉप एंड पार्क. ठीक है ना? नो पर्टिकुलर नेम इज मेंशन हियर ऑफ दीज द प्लेसेस. ठीक है ना? सो दैट विल बी द कॉमन नाउन. नाउ इफ वी कम टू द थिंग्स कॉलम, यू कैन सी बॉल, बुक, चेयर, पेन, टेबल. ठीक है? दीज आर द कॉमन नेम्स ऑफ द थिंग्स. Okay, now grade 4. Let's come to the second type of noun, that is a proper noun. What is a proper noun? प्रॉपर नाउन इज़ द पर्टिकुलर नेम ऑफ अ कॉमन नाउन. अभी हमने कॉमन नाउन्स जो पढ़े हैं उसके जो पर्टिकुलर नेम है, जो ख़ास नेम है, स्पेशल नेम है उस चीज़ का, पर्सन का, प्लेस का, थिंग और एनिमल का, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड द प्रॉपर नाउन. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस द रिकग्निशन ऑफ अ प्रॉपर नाउन दैट दे स्टार्ट ऑलवेज विद द कैपिटल लेटर्स. फाइन. नाउ यू कैन सी दिस चार्ट ओवर हियर. Now you can see the chart over here of person, animal, place and thing. Fine. Now as if I told you boy, girl, man, fine, these are the common nouns. Now particular name of a boy, Ali. ठीक है ना? For example, Ali is there or Zain is there, so that will be the proper noun. Why? Because this is the particular name of a boy. ठीक है? Now if we say Sarah, Sana, whatsoever the name is of a girl, girl is a common noun, but if we tell the name of that girl, ठीक है, that will be the particular name of a common noun. Common noun का particular name है, so it will be the proper noun. Now man is here, that is a common noun. Now if I write down Mr. Sam, Mr. Jones, ठीक है, this is the name of a man, so that will be the proper noun. If I write down Mrs. Peter, so that will be the proper noun of lady. Like for example, if lady had been written here, so Mrs. Peter will be the proper noun. ठीक है? And I told you also that the proper nouns always start with the capital letters. ठीक है? Now let's come to the column of animals. Now if I say pussy, cat, Tom, Jerry, so these are the particular name of the animals. ठीक है? Sometimes you keep the cat, the pets and you give them some names. So the names that you particularly give to the pet animals, they are the, they are the proper nouns. Now let's come to the place column. Now you can see here, as if I told you city, country, market and park, that will be the common noun. ठीक है? Now if I write down Karachi, KPK, whatsoever the name of the city, so that will be the proper noun. Pakistan, so Pakistan is the name of a country. ठीक है? इम्तियाज supermarket, तो market अगर होगा खाली, so that will be the common noun. But if I give the name of a particular market, इम्तियाज supermarket, so that will be the proper noun. Now park or garden, that will be the common noun. But if I give the name of the park, amusement park or Aladdin park, water park, so that will be the proper noun. ठीक है? Now let's come to the column of things. Say ये, like for example pen is here, so pen will be the common noun. But if I give the name of the pen dollar pen, so that will be the proper noun. Mobile will be the common noun, but if I write down Samsung mobile, Nokia mobile, so that will be the proper noun. And all of the words are written, are capital letters are going to be used for these letters. Okay, now grade 4, come to the copy work. You have to take out your copy, your notebooks, fine. Come to the grammar section, and what you people have to, okay, grade 4, what you people have to do, you have to take out your notebooks and you come to the grammar section, fine. Now come to the grammar section and make a title page of online classes. Write down the date 14/12/2020 and the day is Monday, and classwork. Fine, because this is the first work of online classes which we are going to do in the grammar section. Fine, so you have to give the date here so you can come to know that when we started the work of grammar in online classes. Now come to the very next page, a fresh page. Fine. And now again write down the date 14/12/2020, classwork, and the day is Monday. Now what you people have to do, you have to again copy down all the things that I have explained you previously. For example, write down the definition of nouns. Why I'm going to ask you to write them again so you can memorize them very well. Okay. Now nouns. What are nouns? Noun is the part of speech that names a person, place, or thing. Now types of noun: common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, and material noun. Okay. Now again you people have to give the date, classwork, and Monday over here on the next page. Now you people have to write down the definition of common noun. Common noun is the common name of a person, place, or thing. For example, you can see here boy, girl, man. These are, these are the list of persons. Okay. City, country, park, they come in place column. Now pen, book, and door, they comes in things column. Okay. Now come to the proper nouns definition. Now you have to write down all the definitions, like the heading of the definitions with blue color. Now proper noun is the particular name of a common noun. For example, again come to the very next page, write down the date, classwork, and Monday. Fine. For example, Ali, Sarah, Mr. Sam. Okay, they are persons. Karachi, Islamabad, KPK, they come in place. Okay, they are the name of city. Pakistan, India, America, they are the names of the country. Dollar, pen, Nokia mobile, they come in the column of things. Okay, these are the particular name of the different common nouns. Now come to the exercise. Now it will be a homework class. Now see, write on this side, like at the corner, you have to write on the heading of side heading of exercise. Now this will be a homework. Write on the question. Find out common and proper noun in the following sentences. I have provided you a list of sentences, and I have underlined the nouns over here. So what you people have to do, you have to sort out the nouns and you have to write down the nouns in the correct column, whether they are common noun or proper noun. See, number 1 is birds are flying in the sky. Birds and sky have underlined. You have to underline it with blue color, and later on you will have to write these two nouns in the correct column. Now second one is Imran Khan is the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Imran Khan, Prime Minister in Pakistan, I have underlined them. Fine, you have to write down in the correct column of noun. Okay, now just keep this thing in your mind that they are going to start with a capital letter. Third one is Shakespeare is a famous poet. Shakespeare is the name of a person. Okay, is a famous poet. Poet कहते हैं शायर को. So I have underlined these two words, Shakespeare and poet. You have to sort out which type of noun this is. Now my favorite teacher is Miss Sarah. So teacher and Miss Sarah I have underlined, so you have to sort out which type of noun this is. My mother cooks very delicious biryani. I have underlined mother and biryani here, so you have to write down these two nouns in the correct column. Okay, grade 4, come to the very next page. Again write down date, HW, and Monday. Fine. Now make two columns over here and divide the column into an equal size. Now write down common noun and proper noun, and I provided you a list of sentences. Fine, so you have to sort out whether the particular one says common noun or proper noun and write on the correct column. Fine class. Okay, grade 4, I guess this much work is enough for you for classwork and homework, and I hope so you people will be safe at home. So till then you people take a very good care of your health. Till then, Allah Hafiz from my side.